Hi, I'm Jeremiah Taylor. I'd like to take a few minutes to introduce myself and tell you about a workshop we offer. The workshop's on motivation, learning how to go beyond your comfort zone, and because of my personal experiences, I feel uniquely qualified to teach this program. You may or may not know, but I am a totally blind individual. I lost my sight during routine back surgery due to a lack of blood flow to my optic nerves. The doctors told me it may be 2 to 3 years before I would return to work, and maybe never. I told the doctors I felt their prognosis was totally unacceptable, and to make my long story very short, I returned to work full-time as Vice President of Sales within 5 months. Now, since that time, I've had several successful careers, and I started ProActive Sales in 2006 and ProActive Telemarketing in 2008. Looking back to those first few days after I lost my sight, I truly believe it was my sales training and my business training that allowed me to find the motivation to do the things necessary to get back to work within 5 months. I think back to my second or third day in the hospital. I was already making some plans for the future. Now, that kind of thinking had to come from sales training. I remember making a goal to accept the fact that I was going to be blind the rest of my life and not become a victim of it. I had a goal of learning to become the most functional blind person I could be. My third goal was to get back to work as soon as possible. And my fourth goal was to prove to myself, my wife, and my children that we were all going to have a good life, and we do. I even brought my sales training into my rehab. I remember every day listening to sales motivational tapes. I remember calling my friends and former co-workers and associates every day just to keep in touch. And every day I would perform some task to bring me closer to my goal of getting back to work. I would practice touch typing, get computer classes for the blind, and practice my traveling skills. Because of my struggles to regain my life and my career, I feel it does make me uniquely qualified to work with you to get beyond your obstacles and deal with those challenges that are keeping you from being as successful as you can be. I prove that going beyond your comfort zone works. You have to learn to do the things you don't want to do to get where you want to be, especially if you're looking for some level of financial security. Now, this is the message I bring to my workshops. So if you're experiencing a motivational problem on a personal level or within your organization, invite me in. I know I can help. Thank you.